Peace, y'all. Salutations. Take this glove off. I actually had a hazardous chemical material that I was utilizing, and I wanted to be safe while I was handling it. There are sustainable things that you can do with sustainable materials that can change your life. And for people of color, would make a drastic difference on what's going on in the everyday practice. Just want to kind of lay that groundwork out there for y'all to, if you hear me talking, like, what is he talking about? Well, these two things right here. What are these? What are those? What are these? What are these? This is hemp herd. Now, it's not a large amount. It's only about roughly 2 pounds. Not too much. Less than 2 pounds. Probably like 15 ounces, 16 ounces. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to get this material in bulk. This source, it's a great couple of sources. I'll lay out my plugs very soon. But the fact that I'm able to get to this material means that there's opportunities to be made. And the reason why I'm so emphatic about it is I've been emphatic about it for like the last 10 years. Since the earthquake in Haiti, to me, it was about defining solutions and understanding where we could go from that situation. I felt like the building practice was inadequate and didn't meet the demands of the time. And that goes to all the things that are occurring in our society in terms of what resources are used, who gets to use them, and so on and so on. But if you do get a chance, I highly recommend you take the opportunity to utilize this resource. It is such an amazing resource. It provides sustainability from the jump. It is the most sustainable material in my opinion. I think it's one beyond. There's so many uses, thousands of uses. It's actually millions because the applications haven't been utilized yet. So we really don't know. Over the test of time, if we start to delve fully in and people get a full hand into this material, man, there's no stopping it. You feel what I'm saying? There's no stopping it. No stopping it. All right. So I just want to get kind of hype. Demand that hemp is a solution to a lot of our problems in terms of building material. It is a practice phase. So if you build your home, you should consider it as a research project. Not to say that your home is going to fall down, but there are going to be things that occur that you may have to address. Moisture issues, foundation issues, compression issues, deterioration issues, with the soil contact issues. You don't want to have the material directly contacting the soil. You kind of want the material to be able to be flush and to be above ground. So if it is underground, it has to be protected by membranes that would protect it from solubles, moisture from the earth, from the soil. All these different things that affect a good build. All right, humidity, soil, water concentration, water table contents, surveys. There's so many aspects as a young man, people of color, that we can be engaging in that could definitely really take this material to the next level. And I think we should just, as a people that don't have a resource that's dedicated to us and we're not known for it, we've really captured the female version as part of our culture in terms of marijuana. I think we really need to embrace the male version of the plant to really dedicate ourselves to how it has so many usages, and that its usages represents the usages of the strong black man, and that we can be amazing. We can keep the bugs away, keep that fire away. We can provide substance, good quality air breathing, and good quality moisture control. You know what I'm saying? Preventing mold and all these different things that affect the respiratory area, especially now that we're dealing with COVID. Can you imagine building hemp and having your walls all sticked up with licorice and all that? Y'all didn't know. Yes, licorice is an antiseptic, so definitely keep that in your diet, especially going into the summer. Please hydrate. Keep your gold water on deck. I appreciate y'all. Peace. Salute.